Hey guys, welcome back. Before we get started, I want to wish you all a very happy new year and hope you all have an amazing 2022. I'm really looking forward to it, looking forward to helping as many of you as I can with their driving. And finally happy to see Brandon back as well. Yeah, after the first test.
How long's it been?
It was October.
We did the return where I actually failed that place.
Yeah, so we had your test in October. Obviously, that didn't go too well. Yeah, that speeding fault. Mm-hmm. And then we went back to visit that place. And then you messed up on that again. Yeah. So, that was October. It was your test, I think. So it's been about a couple of months since you've driven.
It's been a long time.
How have you been?
I've been good. I've, bit of flus here and there. Just carrying on with life. I don't know what else to say.
How was Christmas and New Year's?
It was good, Everybody was round our house this time, which is the first time, any time we've ever done that. 'Cause our house, we had loads of work done on it, so we had all our family around for Christmas and New Year, so that was a nice change.
Good. So, the reason why we're doing this video today is because Brandon messaged me, not yesterday, the day before, saying, I've got a test date. Because originally, obviously with the way the test dates are at the moment, it was for March, I think, yeah. Mm-hmm. And you said you've got a test date. And so that's why we're doing this video, to let you guys know. So we're not going to be doing any driving today, yeah, just to let you know that Brandon's got a new test day. Obviously we're going to have a few lessons, work towards that, and then again let you know of the result, pass or fail. Hopefully Brandon does it this time, but as you saw on the last test, anything can happen, yeah. Okay, so it has been a while since you've driven. I think what we'll do is on your next lesson, we'll just do a lesson where we just get back into it, see how much you remember, see how much you've forgotten. And then after that, maybe do a mock test and then see how many lessons we need from there. Mm-hmm. Hopefully not too many.
I hope not.
Yeah. So, any questions?
No, to be honest, I just want to drive.
So, okay. Yeah, we'll do that next night today. Obviously, you said you had to finish soon as well, yeah. Mm-hmm. And what is the date today? So 7th, isn't it? Or 6th?
6th.
Okay. So your actual test date is on what day?
Day or date?
Date.
19th of January.
19th. That gives us 13 days, so just under 2 weeks. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So guys, note the date, 19th of January, and the test is around what time?
10 a.m. 10 a.m.
Cool. We'll just double check that though, yeah, because you didn't sound 100% with that then. Okay, so yes guys, Brandon's new test date, 19th of January. We'll be back next week with his first lesson, and then we'll do a mock test after that. Mm-hmm. Then we'll take you from there. We'll discuss how many further lessons you need. And so guys, please pray for Brandon on his next attempt.
New year, new test. I'm feeling good.
Yeah. Yeah, so because it's been ages now, obviously with the lockdowns and that. Yeah, you just want to get it over and done with, because obviously I know people that have been watching your lessons and following your journey. Yeah, because we've obviously uploaded every lesson. They know that you can drive. Yeah, you're fully capable of driving, but just got to avoid that mistake on the test now. Mm-hmm. Okay, cool. So that's it from us, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video, and thanks a lot for watching.
Peace.